Most people think that if you want to be productive, the only thing you should be doing is work. And this is absolutely false. Work is the place that we can create things, in which we can make something that's bigger than ourselves. But no life is a good life if it's only work. Life needs to have more than that. Life needs more than work. Life needs entertainment and fun and learning and hobbies and trying out different things and love. Life is a lot of things, but it is not just work. It is not just creativity. Life is about experiences. And how do we consume most of our experiences today? Online, through the eyes of others. Awesome creative people create those experiences for us. We can watch videos on YouTube, we can check the latest shows on Netflix, we can watch the coolest streamer on Twitch. But if you want to be our best selves, we have to pick the right kinds of media, so we can get the right kinds of experiences, so we can grow the most as people. Here are 5 types of media that you should probably cut out of your life. But first, why bother? There's so many different types of media. What does it matter if you're watching a movie on Netflix or if you're watching a video on YouTube? What's the big difference? What's the big deal? Let's take a step back first. Think about all the small details about your life. All the small things that you do every single day. I dare say that they are your life. All the little composite blocks, all the little Lego bricks are the thing that create your life. So if you want to change your life, you should change those little building blocks. You should change your daily activities. And one of the things that we all do to reset our clocks from the stress of daily life is consuming media. You become what you consume. For example, if you eat a lot of cheeseburgers, you will become a cheeseburger. That's how it works. Absolutely. That's probably my best humor. Anyway, after this long intro, hi, I'm Jordan. I help people craft an epic life. Here are 5 mistakes that you're making by consuming the wrong type of media. Number 1, you're following the wrong people. YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, it doesn't matter. The people you follow is the people that you become more like. In the human domain, the world outside of the internet, you should surround yourself with people who bring you up, people who help you become a better person, people that you admire, people that you can learn from. The same goes for people you follow online. The people you follow should be people that help you grow as a person, that help you develop yourself in some way, people that can help you learn things about yourself, about the world, or about some sort of an art or craft that you want to practice. Favor learning over coolness. You should stop following people who are kind of cool. You should start following people who help you become a better person yourself. Number 2, you're watching too much news. There's way too many things happening in the world. There is always something horrible happening. There is always something great happening. Yes, there are some news that you should probably watch. Yes, there are some things that affect you personally. Watch those. But everything else, just cut it out. If you spend your days worrying or celebrating or just living in the news, you will be living in the past. 3, you're watching reality TV. The first 5,000 people who like this video are going to get their very own unscripted TV show. Probably not. I've never been a fan of the genre, so I can't really relate to that, but reality TV is scripted. There is no way for you to be authentic if there's 5 cameras around you. Even I am not 100% authentic. I am giving you a personality that I think you guys would like. That's not entirely me. This is parts of me that I'd like to present forward because I think that you'll learn the best if I present those parts. But this is not the complete package. This is not the complete me. And the same goes for reality TV. People there are playing a character. You will not learn true human interactions and true human skills from those characters, or the chances of you learning from them is very low. So don't watch that. Number 4, gossip. The new hot take on actors. Someone bought a new plant and found a new boyfriend, and someone married someone else and then divorced them and took $17 from them. I mean, that's fine. Actors, streamers, YouTubers, all kinds of entertainers, they live their life, and they live a unique life as everyone else, and most of it is not that interesting as everyone else's. But some of their life is actually exceptionally interesting. But the truth is, the interesting parts of their lives are actually produced. You get to see them in a tight, neat little package delivered to you. You get to go to a movie theater and watch their perfectly produced movie, or you get to watch their edited video on YouTube, or you get to watch all the bits and pieces that they want you to watch on Instagram. There is no need for you to try to find out more. You should focus on the parts that make you awesome and that you want to craft and show the world, and not on the parts that other people have crafted and created. Enjoy their shows, enjoy their streams, enjoy their podcasts. Don't try to find out more. Let them be the people that they are. Learn from them, be a better person because of what they're putting out, but don't try to imitate every single detail about their life. Their life is uniquely theirs. It is not yours. So live yours. Number 5. Number 5 is about gambling. And you probably don't gamble, not directly. There are some people who like that, some people who enjoy that, but most people don't really gamble in a casino. They don't gamble on a poker table, holding a bunch of cards and doing their best poker face, trying to win some money. Or on a chess table like an old school, mob boss or something. I don't know. Who played chess and who gambles on chess? Really, never mind. Most gambling today happens in games. And that's tough for me to say because I love games. But the fact of the matter is that a lot of mobile games, a lot of console games, and a lot of PC games have adopted a lot of gambling practices. This happens because of the way the gaming industry works, because of how games are monetized, and because of the way that we want to consume games. And there's many things that should change there. But this is a long process and it's going to take a lot of time. While that happens, you should find out every kind of game that gets you to gamble and not play that, or at least not engage with that gambling component. All kinds of loot boxes, roulettes, slot machines, no matter how well they're hidden, are gambling. They are addictive, they are bad for your health, they can lead to deep psychological issues. Do not gamble. Do not spend money on gambling. Garbage in, garbage out. The things that you let in your life, make it the life that you currently live. Start letting better things in your life, cut out the things that shouldn't be in your life, and this will make your life infinitely better. Pick the right kinds of media to consume, find the best way to entertain yourself, find the funniest comedians, find the best artists, find the best entertainers, follow those, learn from them, enjoy them, but cut off the toxic stuff away, and you will become a better person for it. The first part of achieving your goals is letting the people and information that help you achieve them in your life. If you're looking for more of that kind of information, my channel is a good place to start. That's it. Like the video, join the Discord, where I'll teach you how to shoot lasers from your eyes.